Welcome, guys, to my YouTube channel. So today we're trying to solve a big issue, a common issue related to Windows 11, 10, or any version of Windows that is having Wi-Fi issue, like missing Wi-Fi. Or when you search for your Wi-Fi in your settings, you can't even find a Wi-Fi. So let's learn how to solve this in few minutes time. So what you have to do is to like and subscribe to this channel and just follow the steps. Um going to show you. As you can see here, I can't find Wi-Fi here in my list of network and internet options. So the first step to do is to go to your service. So go to your service and just type WLAN. So just click on W on your keyboard and just try to locate WLAN. So let's try to locate. So you can see this WLAN AutoConfig. So make sure this is on automatic and this is on running. So if it's not running, click on start here and click on apply, then okay. So this is one thing you have to do first. Then the next thing to do is that this your Wi-Fi is actually disconnected from your device manager. So go ahead to search for your device manager right here on your PC. So I'm searching for device manager. Let me bring this here, then expand this. So you can see under your device manager, what you have to do is to come down to locate your network adapters. So locate your network adapters. You can see this is my Wi-Fi network adapter here. This is it here. As you can see, this is Intel R Wi-Fi 6A times 201, whatever. So that is my network adapter. If you can't find your Wi-Fi network adapter, come to action, come to scan for hardware changes. One, if it still doesn't show up, click on view and click on show hidden devices. So once you click on show hidden devices, you should have everything coming up here. So that is how to find it. But if you still can't find it, I'm going to teach you how to install it manually from your PC official website. But let's go ahead to solve this issue first. So if you can find yours and it's just like this, double tap on this. Next thing, so you can see that my device here is disabled. So you can see that it's disabled here and I'm having a code 2022 rather. So for me to enable this or make it work, I have to go to drivers here. So I'm going to click on enable device and boom, I should have my Wi-Fi working back. So I'm going to click on OK. So let me go ahead to check if my Wi-Fi is actually working. So as you can see here, I have my Wi-Fi here and I can switch it on and switch it off and connect. So let's just go ahead to see if this doesn't solve your issue. Double tap on this and click here on driver. So what you have to do is to update driver. So double click here on the browse, and what I have to do is let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. So I'm going to tap on this and you can pick from any of these three. So for example, if you want to use this, which might be okay for me, just click on Intel R whatever, double tap on that and it's going to install your driver. So you're going to Windows has successfully updated your driver. If you want to use any other one, you can go ahead to pick from the list of drivers you have there and click on close. So then you can go ahead to roll back driver if that still doesn't work. But if you still can't get your Wi-Fi around your network adapters, let's go ahead to manually search for it and install it. So what you have to do is to connect to your internet. Okay, some people might be like, how will I connect to my internet if I can't find my Wi-Fi, if I'm not using Wi-Fi here? It's very easy. You can use what they call Ethernet. So Ethernet is the opposite, or is another way of accessing the internet when your Wi-Fi is off. So just plug in your phone and tether the hotspot from there using USB tethering. So from there you'll be able to log in to the internet. The phone. So I'm just going to go ahead to open my Chrome after connecting, then go ahead to search for this. So what I'm going to search for here is HP. Since I'm using an HP device, HP driver for Windows 11, since I'm using an HP device. So once you search for this, you have to click on the first here. So I'm going to click on the first website I'm seeing here and wait for this to load. And I'm going to go ahead. So you can use two methods. You can go ahead to let HP detect your product, which I feel like it's very okay for me, or you go ahead to enter the serial number and your product name or whatever manually. So I'm just going to let HP detect my product. So if you're using a different PC, like for example Dell, just enter Dell's website. You're going to find everything there. I'm going to let HP detect my product. Yeah, so it's going to take a few time. You can use the time to like and subscribe and check through the process in the video. If you're having any issue or you encountered any issue, drop your comments in the comment section as I'll be responding. So you can see here HP is still detecting my product. I'll save it for now. So yeah, I'm going to click here and I'm going to click start download. It's going to download that. As you can see, I'm downloading this. It's going to take a long step. So once I'm done, I'm going to get everything. So I'm going to have my product detected. So I'm going to go ahead to install this. I'm going to click here on yes, and it's going to help me detect my product. So just follow the steps right here in the video. Then click here on continue. So it's going to still detect my product for me. I just finished installing what I downloaded and I'm getting things ready. So I'm going to click here on OK and it's going to get it done. I just got it installed. As you can see, it's now identifying my PC and it's going to tell me what kind of PC I'm using and everything about the specs. And it's going to look for the particular driver I need here on my PC. So yes, you can see it here. My HP has detected my PC and it's telling me I'm using HP EliteBook 1040 times 360 convertible G whatever. So I'm going to click on select this product because that's actually the PC I'm using. So next, you're going to be given a list of driver and software, after which you select the one that's meant for your PC. So make sure you check through your PC. First of all, I'm asked to identify and select my operating system. So I'm using Windows 11. If you're using Windows 10, click on Windows 10. And I'm asked to find what version of OS am I using. And I'm using the ISS 25H2. So how to check for this? You can find this in your settings on how to check for your Windows specs. I made a video about that. Check through my channel. I'm going to see this. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click here on submit. So once I'm done submitting, I will now see a list of driver and software I can find here. So to look for your Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi driver, I'm just going to click on driver network and I'm going to see this here. I'm going to see my Intel WLAN driver. So all what you need to do is to download this if you don't. So for example, I'm going to download this WLAN driver or this. So once I'm done downloading, I'm going to manually install it by just coming to the download, just like the way I installed this. I'm going to double tap on my Intel WLAN driver and install it manually to get my Wi-Fi working. Once you have done with that, just go ahead back to your device manager and try to get things done. If this doesn't work, I advise you to get Driver Booster. The Driver Booster is a very quick app you can actually use to get all your drivers working. So all what you need to do here is to just click on your upgrade now. So updates now. Once you click here on updates now, you should have all your drivers working and restart your PC. So once you're done with everything, restart your PC to get this working. So if you found this video very useful, go ahead to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you still haven't gotten this done, so go ahead to comment and tell me what issue you are facing right now in the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.